Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the file type and location. Make sure your video is fully uploaded before sharing. Once the file appears in Drive, right-click it and select Get Link. This opens the sharing panel. You choose whether viewers need Viewer, Commenter, or Editor access. Most cases use Viewer to prevent edits. If you want broader reach, change Restricted to anyone with the link. Make sure the owner permissions match your intent so viewers can actually play the video. Once you set anyone with the link, you decide the role. Choose Viewer for plain playback because editors can alter or delete the file. Make sure to check the expiration and audience if you're in a managed workspace. If you need precise targeting, add specific emails in the share dialog and set their role, then tap Send. After copying the share link, test it in an incognito window to confirm playback. This verifies the link behaves as your intended viewers will experience it. You can embed the link in an email or website. Some platforms accept the direct drive URL, while others need an embed code. Adjust accordingly. Once embedded, test playback across desktop and mobile, and in an incognito session to ensure link accessibility. If playback fails, check 3 things: file type/MIME compatibility, sharing permissions, and whether drive storage or quota is exceeded. If issues persist, re-upload a converted MP4.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.